Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to do a factory reset on Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So here is my Watch 6 Classic, and to do a factory reset just go to all apps and here use the bezel and tap on settings. Now again use the bezel and go to general. Tap to go inside. Again use the bezel and we have here reset. Now first read carefully. If you reset, all personal information will be erased from your watch. Okay, and after you read, just tap reset. And now your watch will be reset, and you need to wait for a minute. And now I'm back, the reset is over, and all that you must do is to select your home language and press next, and then just pair your watch with your phone, and that's all. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.